Alright y'all, so today we are going to learn the different sections of a song. Let's start with the verse. So the verse introduces the story or theme. There are different song structures, so sometimes a song may start with the chorus or the hook, but a lot of times a song is going to start with a verse, and that is going to kind of set the tone for the rest of the song. The pre-chorus is another section of the song that may not be used in every single song that you hear. Most songs that you hear are going to have a verse, a hook, a bridge. Some songs will have a pre-chorus. The pre-chorus builds anticipation leading up into the chorus. The next part of the song is the chorus or the hook. This is the catchy and repeated section that kind of catches your attention, and this is what you know by the end of the song, if it's a good hook. The chorus or the hook also summarizes the main message of the song. So whatever the song is going to be about, the hook is going to tell you. The next part of the song is the bridge. I love bridges. I personally love bridges because this is a moment of transition. This is somewhat of the climax of the song. This provides a contrast or a different perspective. So if I've been talking about, it's hard to love you, and through the verse and the hook, the main message of this song is that it's hard to love you. By the bridge, maybe I'm giving the alternate perspective of it's hard for me to love you because I'm hurting, or it's hard for me to love you because of what. It provides a different perspective, but not only lyrically, also musically. So we have the opportunity to explore with different melodies, arrangements, sonics, and transitions during this section. So to summarize, we have the verse, which introduces the song or the storyline. We have the hook, that is the catchy repeated section that summarizes the main message. We have the bridge that offers a different perspective, and we have the pre-chorus that builds anticipation to the chorus. So just to recap, we have the verse, we have the pre-chorus, which may or may not be in every song, we have the chorus, and we have a bridge that will be in most songs that you hear. At Maitland Conservatory, we are going to explore more in depth these songs, sections, and structures, where some songs may go verse, pre-hook, hook, verse. They can go verse, hook, verse, bridge. All of these are different structures, and we are going to have a fun time diving deep and learning about them more in depth. Again, my name is Adia, and I'll see you soon.